Welcome to TechnoDadLife, where we build, learn, and create as a community. And today we're going to do something different. So I have a challenge to you. And so the challenge is several people in our community have wanted to install Piwigo or Piwigo. I don't actually know how to say it. But it is a photo managing Docker software too. And so basically I've been working on it for a few days and it is not working. And so I do not know if it is a software issue or a user issue. And so this is the challenge. So basically I'm going to challenge you to actually see if you can get it to work. And I'll leave a link down below to the forums with all the information for this challenge. And so the first 4 people who actually post that it's running with their directions of how they got it running in the Open Media Vault forums, they will get a free sticker. So a free TechnoDadLife sticker. And so these are very limited edition. You know, there's only like 3 of them in the world right now. So the first 4 people who do that, you will get one of these if you provide me with your address in the forums, or you can, whatever. We'll talk about that later. But anyways, so you get a free sticker. So the challenge is for you to get Piwigo going, and then I will leave a link in the description or in the comments below of how to find it, and then we will go from there. Okay, take care and have a great day. Bye-bye. And a special thank you to all my patrons who, without your support, this channel would not be possible. Thank you.